Not only is it far too early to be in Penn Station, but I did not fall asleep last night. So we are rocking no hours of sleep. Wish me luck.
Luggage behind you, and please be advised that the stop button is for emergency use only. Thank you and have a safe day.
Good morning from Philadelphia. Sorry I picked the loudest possible street. We are here all day today and we are leaving tomorrow night. We'll see. I only spontaneously decided to film this trip. So we'll see what comes of it. I am currently walking to find a coffee and meet my parents for breakfast. So I will catch back up with you in a little bit.
Thank you. I'm trying to design my character.
Thank you, Rama.
Hell yeah.
Shoe picture?
Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, magnificent. Yeah. Hello. I'm talking to you really quickly on the corner while my family are checking out a cute little shop. Update, I am still very tired. I had maybe a 45-minute nap today. And it is now after 7 p.m. I'm going. I'm surviving somehow. It's kind of been a whirlwind of a day. We had a delicious breakfast in Chinatown. I saw my brother's apartment. I played with their cats. They're so cute. Most of the day was at the temple graduation, which was very long. I was admittedly struggling to stay awake. There was no caffeine in the building except for a $7 soda, and I hate carbonation and capitalism, so I was not going to pay $7 for a drink that I don't like. And now we are downtown getting a delicious brunch dinner. I don't think I'll be able to pick the camera back up to chat again, but our plan tomorrow is to go to a botanical garden, or maybe it's not a botanical garden, it's some sort of gardens we're gonna go check out tomorrow. And I think we'll probably check out some other parts of the city. So bye bye. I like the sign. frozen now. Oh. Trying to start the journey back to New York. Hello, I've made it back to the train station to catch now my night train back to New York. Now, believe it or not, if you didn't think this was a quick enough trip, I'm working tonight, so I'm not going home, I'm going straight to work, and I will get home at 5 a.m. It is currently 9:12. That's what the clock says over there. It is 9:12. My train's at 9:52. I'm gonna get into New York at about 11, and I have a friend covering for me for the first hour, and then I'm going to go and take over. It's been a really wonderful trip. I've been so glad to come. It was wonderful watching my youngest brother graduate. I actually didn't get to watch his high school graduation because my college graduation got delayed and was the same weekend as his high school graduation. So I hadn't actually seen him. This is gonna sound so silly, but I was like, I hadn't seen him cross the stage before. So I was like kind of emotional getting to see that and be there for him. And it was just really lovely getting to spend the weekend with my family and also his cats. I hadn't met his cats. I got plenty of clips of the cats, but like this was my first time meeting the cats and I was so excited. I love me some new kitties. It's been a really lovely trip. And yeah, I'm kind of ready to get home and get some real sleep soon because I have not slept very much. It was also so lovely getting to see my father's undergrad campus. It was really beautiful. There's so many like lovely nature trails around it. It was so nice. All in all, a wonderful like little quick getaway trip. Honestly, it makes me want to come. I gotta come to Philly again now because I'm like, oh, I want to go to the Fine Arts Museum. I want to go check out some other things. So I've had a great trip. Also, it was so easy getting here. Honestly, like I think my total train ticket was $25 round trip. So I've had a great time. Thank you guys so much for watching along as I go on this little trip. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you when I get home in New York.